Let me show you all methods that allow you to take a screenshot on OnePlus 15R. So the main way to take a screenshot is by using the combination of the power button and volume down button. If you press both of these buttons at the same time, you can easily capture a screenshot. Besides that, we can also go to the control center, and then over here we have the screenshot button. At least in my case it is located in here. In your case it might be on a different page, for example. So you can tap on this button in order to immediately take the screenshot. Not only that, if you tap on the screenshot text, you can find the option to take a full screenshot, scrolling screenshot, or partial screenshot. Now, if you use the sidebar, by default, it also has the screenshot option, so you can use it in order to capture a screenshot just like that. And we have the 3-finger gestures. So with 3 fingers, you can swipe down like this in order to capture a full screenshot. You can also press and hold 3 fingers on the screen, and then you can select the area that you want to capture. So this allows you to take a partial screenshot like that. And also, if you press and hold 3 fingers, instead of lifting them, once you have this area that you can select, you can just also swipe down. And this allows you to immediately select the area, the cropped area. You can of course adjust it if needed. And at the bottom we have some additional tools that can be quite useful. And there we go. Now in the case of gestures, or even the combination of the 2 buttons on the right side, we can go to settings, and then in here proceed to accessibility and convenience. And then we have the screenshot option, where we can find all different screenshot methods. So you can make sure that they are enabled if you want to use any of them. Leave a like and subscribe.